A bigger pipe wrench is not always the better choice. While larger wrenches provide more leverage, they can also be cumbersome and difficult to control, especially in tight spaces. The key is selecting the right size wrench for the task at hand. For larger pipes, such as those used in industrial plumbing, a bigger pipe wrench can provide the necessary torque to loosen or tighten the pipe without damaging it. However, for smaller, more delicate pipes, like those found in residential plumbing, a smaller wrench may be more appropriate to ensure a secure grip without causing unnecessary strain or distortion. A larger pipe wrench also increases the risk of over-tightening, which can lead to thread damage or pipe deformation. If a smaller wrench offers enough leverage for the job, it's generally a safer option. Additionally, larger wrenches can be heavy and difficult to maneuver, increasing user fatigue and potentially leading to mistakes. In summary, while a larger pipe wrench may seem more powerful, it's essential to choose the right size based on the task's requirements, pipe material, and available space.